Hello everybody and welcome back to the Lowdown While on Lockdown. My name is Eric Holst, I am with Ambient Lighting, and today we're looking at the Truly Green Solutions SL4 and RL4. Now I have a feeling most of you are thinking, what is an SL4 or an RL4? These two fixtures are going to be linear edge-lit panels that actually come in two different apertures, either a 4 or a 6 inch. We're going to start off looking at the SL4, which is going to be the surface linear version of this fixture. Now, each and every fixture comes with a surface mount bracket included in the box. And at less than an inch thick, this fixture will make sure not to intrude upon your space, whether you throw it on a wall or on the ceiling. It will be damp location listed and has 3 different color temperatures for you to choose from. 2 different lumen output options are just based upon which aperture size you need, and it actually has an optional inverter as well. So if you want to make sure this is on the emergency backup system, we've got you covered. Next, let's take a look at the RL4 or the recessed linear version. This fixture is going to be ready to go into a recessed ceiling straight out of the box. You actually get a field selectable CCT switch on the back as well, so you can select 335 or 4K straight on the fixture. You actually get a few more lumens per aperture out of this fixture as opposed to the SL4. Same 0 to 10 volt dimming is standard. Damp location listing is standard. You get a few more degrees in the beam angle, but you also can suspension mount this if your situation calls for it. While not an inverter necessarily, we do have an emergency battery backup that we could throw in this fixture as well. So this fixture really does a little bit of everything. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. I hope you learned a little bit about the Truly Green Solutions SL4 and RL4 and the major differences between the two. If you do have any questions about anything you've seen today, please do not hesitate to reach out. This has been Eric Holst with Ambient Lighting, and I appreciate your time. Thanks.